fasting cures diseases? Can actually fast be the ultimate cure? Why I have fasted 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, 19 days, 23 days, 24 days, and last year I fasted 39 days on water only. Hi, I'm known here in Brazil as Dr. Corassa because I'm a clinical nutritionist that have been advocating raw food nutrition and fasting and a lifestyle medicine developed in America called natural hygiene, the science of health. For 17 years now, I have been living this way, I have been studying this, I have been teaching all over Brazil and abroad that health is produced by healthful living. Nothing else can produce health. You cannot buy health, must be built and not bought. Fasting and dieting and exercise and sunshine and proper sleep, proper chronobiology, chrononutrition, and several of these lifestyle factors have saved my life 17 years ago when the allopathic medicine model couldn't do anything for me anymore. And even the naturopathic medicine couldn't do anything for me anymore. I was really sick, suffering from many diseases, and I healed myself with nature means. We are biological beings. We evolved in nature for millions of years, and now human beings want to change fasting for pills, dieting for supplements, sleep for hormones and coffee, sunshine for pills. There's no way we can provide these biological needs by synthetic means. We need the biological, the real, the things that we evolved in nature getting, we aren't getting anymore. And that's why we remain sick for the rest of our lives. We have a terrible experience here in life, and we have shortened our lives for many, many decades. So after suffering from diabetes, back issues, digestive and stomach issues, and allergies, respiratory issues, asthma, suffering with many, many diseases, and a low performance throughout my childhood, I got sick of trying the usual way. I saw it was not working, so I started looking for it, and I found natural hygiene, and it's frugivore diets. I have been living off fruits and vegetables for 17 years now, and it was the best thing I ever did. But I saw it that just exercise, sleep, sunshine, and dieting wasn't enough for my case because I had many health issues when I was young, and I was trying to regenerate all these health issues that didn't get 100% well after studying a natural hygiene lifestyle. With that being said, fasting can do things that nothing else can. Fasting can also revert issues that no kind of diets can actually help. So I knew that fasting is not a cure, but a regeneration mode that is turned on when we stop eating. Want to know more about fasting? I wrote the best and most comprehensive book on fasting out there. In terms of hygienic fasting, there's a lot of data about intermittent fasting and all kinds of fasting here, and it's all scientific referenced. So everything that I say is backed up by science, more than 200 pages. But this is the cumulative data on the science and the hygienic clinical application of water fasting and intermittent fasting for more than 200 years. So it's the most updated book on hygiene about fasting there is. And you can read it on Amazon, Kindle, or print on demand, and you can receive it on your home. I have others 9 scientific and recipe books published, but they're all still in Portuguese. It will be soon available on Amazon. Until then, I attend patients online and in private sessions, and I also run retreats in Brazil and online courses. If you don't know the channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button for notifications, give it a thumbs up, comment below and share the video so we can help more people and help you by producing more videos. So first of all, I fast for regeneration. There is no cure in the sense that people understand it. If there was a cure, you cut yourself and you take some pill and it heals automatically, spontaneously, instantly. And this doesn't happen. The body starts the scarring process and the renewal of cells in the place. So that's what happens when you fast. You just turn off mitogenesis. You slow down the growth of the organisms to favor the repair of the organism. So the more you eat, even more protein you eat, the less you repair and regenerate, and the more you grow. The less you eat, the more close you are to eating fruits and vegetables or even to a water fast, the more the body starts regenerating mode. We start to regenerate faster than it does when you are eating. So your body can regenerate a lot of stuff, but you never stop eating. You are constantly eating. So the regenerate is always dampened down. So when you fast, regenerate mode is taken to the maximum. If you want to know more, I already done several other videos about water fasting and how it starts this regenerating mode. Walter Longo has shown that fasting mimicking diets can actually regenerate the beta cells of the pancreas that produces insulin. That is actually almost a cure for type 1 diabetes. He has shown that fasting mimicking diets induces multiple system regeneration, like your brain, your liver, your heart, your muscles, your bones. They all start to renew and regenerate. So that's pretty impressive. And if we take a look at axolots, these small salamanders, they can regenerate limbs. And it's scientifically proven. They actually try to take these genes from these salamanders to make them available to us once again because we lost them during the evolution from reptiles to mammals. Yes, human beings can actually regenerate like Wolverine. Not as Wolverine, but we have a small regenerative capacity. And that's why I fasted for 40 days on water. Because smaller fast that I did, even the 24 days, it helped me to heal a lot, but it didn't help me to recover as much as this 39 days on water. That's the second thing I fasted for so long, because fasting is cumulative. So the longer you fast, the more the body can actually recover from old damage, can go deeper and deeper into the physiology and renew it. Third thing I fasted is to maintain my youthfulness. There's animal data that the animal can actually live forever while fasting and eating, like small worms. And there's a lot of other kinds of animals that can live up to 8 times more, 3 times more by fasting. So fasting actually makes your body younger and more healthy. So fasting is actually a renewal of cells and maintain your body in a non-senescent mode, a way that you don't age as fast as normal people. Fourth thing I fasted is to regain functionality. Our bodies are being used the whole day, every day of your lives. It's like a machine. The more you use, the more damage, the more old it gets. So we have to renew our mitochondria, the power plants within our cells that produce ATP, the energy that we live. So the mitochondria get constantly oxidative stress, free radical damage, so it must be repaired. So while you're eating 3, 4, 5 meals a day, every day along your whole life, you don't get to make mitophagy. Mito from mitochondria, phagy from autophagy. So the renewal of the mitochondria must happen, and the renewal of every part of our cells, every compartment. We have to renew ourselves. So that's why I fast, to maintain myself not just younger, not just regenerating, but also physiologically functioning the best I can, to maintain my mind as sharp as I can, maintain my physical abilities the best I can, to maintain my youthfulness, to maintain everything in perfect balance. Fifth, I fast also for spirituality, for finding my purpose. Because when you fast, you have way more mental clarity. And this mental clarity helps you to gain new focus in life, make new goals, and find the path that will make you happier and more productive and makes your life more meaningful. So what was the benefits that I gained from all these fasts? I do water fast and intermittent fasting for 17 years. All these 17 years, I have only eaten in a 18 to 6 hour schedule. That means that I maintain the fast for 18 hours per day and I only eat for 6 hours per day. The eating window is from noon to around 6 p.m. Most of the days, I cannot do every day because sometimes, working schedule, something goes wrong. But I try to enter my intermittent fasting mode as soon as 6 p.m. But I also do water fasting from time to time when I see it's needed. Why? Because I want to regenerate things from my past, like my back issues, my nose issues, my intestine issues, my allergy issues. They all got much better or got completely reversed by water fasting. So the only thing that I didn't manage to reverse completely was my back issue. Even the 24-day water fast wasn't enough for reverse all the back issue that I had. I had several back issues. I had an herniated disc and I knew that if I fasted for 39 days on water, I could actually reverse it. The documentary for this 39-day water fast, I'll be posting here pretty soon, but it is also available on Lauren Lockman's channel, Tanglewood channel, in English, the documentary. But there's other water fasting documentaries in my channel in Portuguese that's much bigger, like 500,000 subscribers, that there's actually subtitles on these documentaries, so you can go there and watch. But anyway, yes, my 39-day water fast was my most intense, most beautiful and best experience ever, and also the one that I got most benefits. So my back, it didn't heal completely yet, so I plan to do another 40-day water fast, but still I managed to gain several benefits and several reversal of the back issues that I had before this fast. So yes, it may sound crazy, but it's still underappreciated, but fasting, it's the way nature intended for us to regenerate ourselves from damage. So yes, I fast for many things, and I believe nature plans was always to maintain ourselves in homeostasis, to maintain ourselves in maximum functionality, maximum health. So that's why I do so many water fasts. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button for notifications, comment below, share the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget, if you need my help as a clinical nutritionist, you can find my help on the description, on the website, and the WhatsApp number below, and you should read Hygienic Fasting Nature Surgery on Amazon ASAP, because this is a must-read book if you want to understand the fasting and the science behind it. And don't forget, health is produced by healthful living. Click on these videos to know more.